guys, welcome to Kitchen on Fire. I am Samir.
And I'm Eesa.
Today we'll be making some spaghetti and meatballs. So we'll need some chopped up onions, then ginger paste and garlic paste, and a box of meatballs.
And the second thing, we're going to also have to use spaghetti and pasta sauce.
I forgot to mention you guys that we need some butter to fry some onions and the pastes.
We just added some butter, just added a little bit. So we have to let the butter melt, all the butter. Wait, you have to wait until it's done.
The next step is to add the onions and the ginger and garlic paste. Some ginger paste.
It's starting to smell nice.
We need to wait a bit so then the onions are cooked with the ginger and garlic paste. So I'm about to pour in the first pasta sauce. So I'm about to put in this, and the serving size is half a cup. The three things I look at is the fiber, sugar, and protein, and calories. So number 4. Now to add the sauce. Now for pasta sauce number 2. The reason why I added water to it was because it was getting thick and it was starting to get gloopy. And you should cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes.
We're going to add some meatballs now.
The fish. So now we need to mix the meatballs in it, so then the meatballs can cook. So then we can cook the spaghetti. So then the meatballs don't burn in the sauce, and the sauce doesn't burn. We put this in low heat.
Oh!
So now we are gonna flip and stir the spaghetti, so then this part can cook in the water. So now it's time to drain the spaghettis.
Go!
So now we have to pour the meatball sauce in the spaghettis.
Go.
Now he's going to mix it up. That looks so tasty. Awesome!
Taste awesome?
Tastes good. And Samir and Eesa.
Son-in-law.